శ్రీ దామోదర్ రాజ నరసింహ గారు,
అనే నేను
I see Damodar Rajanarasimha, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will faithfully and conscientiously discharge my duties as Minister for the State of Telangana, that I will do right to all manner of people in accordance with Constitution and the law without fear, favor, affection or ill will.
అనే నేను
I see Damodar Rajanarasimha do swear in the name of God that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person or persons any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as Minister for the State of Telangana except as may be required for the due discharge of my duties as such Minister. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
శ్రీ కోమటిరెడ్డి వెంకటరెడ్డి గారు,
అనే నేను